Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at Efsane latest update. They have given us their update since yesterday when they distributed their fake file chain token. A lot of questions has been asked and they are here to clarify it. So you need to see their latest update. But right now their app is still not opening. I'm trying to log in but I can't log in. So I've been trying to log in but it's not working. I can't even log in at all. I can't log in at all. So what am I saying in essence? We need to see their latest update. Now they say super airdrop ended. Very good. We are happy that the super airdrop ended, and this their update is 1 hour ago. You can see it here. 1 hour ago they said super airdrop completed. This month EFS super airdrop has officially concluded. Now they say congratulations to all eligible users. You have successfully received your 20 EFS token. They said they have successfully distributed 20 EFS token to eligible users. And I want to ask, was it EFS that they gave us or the previous EFS? Because what they distributed yesterday, which they said is their launch day, is file chain. So they are saying here we have received 20 EF. Maybe the previous, the frozen 20 EFS, that is the one they are referring to. But if it is the airdrop they gave us yesterday, that is file chain. And they say please check your Efsane account immediately for your airdrop status. Okay, but we can't even log in. I think they have rough put. We can't log in, but nevertheless, let's continue. They said important reminder, and if you are coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to like, share and subscribe, turn on the bell notification for more updates. You can join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel for high value update. They said important reminder, EFS will be officially listed on exchanges this month. So EFS is going to be listed this month, and this means the EFS you hold is no longer just a reward but a scarce asset with real market value, unlimited potential and expansive value. The sooner you hold, the sooner you will seize the opportunity. Special note, due to a UI system upgrade, some users expressed an issue with file being mistakenly sent yesterday. Oh, it's getting interested. So the file they gave us yesterday was by mistake. Did you see what they said? They said, let me read it again. Special note, due to a UI system upgrade, some users experienced an issue with file being mistakenly sent yesterday. This has been fully resolved and the final rewards EFS has been correctly distributed. But right now you saw it, I can't even log in, and they say please be rest assured to check. So that file they sent to us was by a mistake. So they said be rest assured they are going to give us our EFS rewards. They said thank you for your support and all that. So you have heard from the horse's mouth. And here still 1 hour ago they made an update. They said here that due to overwhelming popularity of this super airdrop event, a large number of users has flooded the website simultaneously, causing traffic congestion and delays. So for us that are finding it difficult to log into the website, it is because of the congestion by overwhelming popularity of users. So if you are experiencing this problem of logging in, be rest assured that they are going to rectify the issue. Let's just give them a benefit of doubt. They say our engineering team has immediately stepped in and currently working diligently on technical issues and optimizations. Please be patient. Did you see that? So let's be patient. Hopefully they said it is a congestion from the users. Let's hope they are going to refer. Look at what this space. I can't log in. When I try log in, keep verifying Cloud4 and all that. So what do you think? Do you think that Efsane is actually playing with our emotion? Do you think that these people are still going to reward the community as they said? If I may say, Efsane may not be able to reward the community because Efsane has a lot of users. I've not seen a project that has millions of users like Efsane. So if it is only those that joined when this project came in newly that benefited, that time they were giving free fire and other coin to swap easily. People really made money in this project from the first stage of the launch. So that is the only people that can come out and say, yes, I made money from Efsane. But the rest, yes, I also made money. They gave me $30, so which is I made $30 from Efsane, and I'm really happy about that. But right now, the way things are going, I don't think Efsane can reward the community. But what do you think? Tell me your thoughts in the video description. Let's believe that this UI error was a mistake according to them. Looking at the comment section here, people are just confused. Abeg, no confuse us again. Yesterday UI error say almost made me think I don't hit jackpot. Seeing $153 on my dashboard looked so rare. Anyway, thanks for correcting it and sending the 20 EFZ. This person has already seen the 20 EFZ, but I can't log. Many people cannot still log in. Look at what this person said. Till yesterday it was all fine. This morning facing this trouble. The airdrop you told us was EFC, but you sent file. Why? So people are just airing in their opinion. So what do you think? Do you think there is hope in this project? Tell me your thoughts in the comment section. So if you got value from this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys.